Alright, Promise Academy. Now we're going to talk about dividing, long division of polynomials. So first we're going to start by dividing by one term. That's a little bit easier than dividing by two terms. So we'll write out the problem. All this is divided by 9x. So what we want to do is split this into three division problems. 3x to the third divided by 9x plus 3x squared divided by 9x plus 45x divided by 9x. Okay, so now we want to simplify. 3 divided by 9 simplifies to 1 over 3. X to the third over x. We subtract the exponents, 3 minus 1. So this turns into x squared. So we have x squared over 3. 3 over 9 reduces to 1 over 3 again. X squared divided by x to the first will simplify to x to the 1. Now we have x, just x over 3. Now 45 divided by 9 simplifies to 5 over 1. And the x's are going to cancel out since they're the same power. So it's just plus 5. Alright, so that's how to divide a polynomial by one term. Now we're going to divide by a binomial. So we're going to write the problem. 6x to the third minus 13x squared plus 19x minus 19. And we're going to divide all that by x minus 1. Alright, so we want to compare the first term to the first term. I like to ask myself, what do I have to multiply times x to get 6x to the third? Well, we have to multiply by 6, and x to the third is 2 powers bigger than x to the 1, so we need an x squared. Now you can do a little side problem if you want. We're going to take 6x squared times x minus 1. So that's 6x to the third minus 6x squared. Then we're going to change the signs and add. These cancel out because they're the opposites. Negative 13 plus 6 is negative 7x squared. Drop down the 19x. Now what do I have to multiply times x to get negative 7x squared? Well, I have to multiply by negative 7 and an x to get x squared. So that's negative 7x squared plus 7x. Change the signs and add. Opposites cancel out. 19 plus negative 7 is 12x. Drop down the minus 19. Now ask yourself, what do I need to multiply times x to get 12x? That's going to be plus 12. So that's 12x minus 12. Change the signs and add. Opposites cancel out. Negative 19 plus 12 is negative 7. And that is the remainder. We always put the remainder over the divisor. So the answer would be 6x squared minus 7x plus 12 minus 7 over x minus 1. So that is how to divide a polynomial by a binomial.